Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today we're going to do the Walmart unboxing. And I don't have it open, so let me get it unwrapped. Okay, I've got it unwrapped. It says, embrace your beauty, rate and review this fall products at walmart.com. And then we can enter to win a $100 gift card by going to a specific website and tell them about the beauty box. And it looks like this. So let's see what we have. We have a gentle cleansing bar, non-comedogenic, I guess it's called. I've never even seen anything like this before. Let's see if it is. Just take it out and take a look at it here. Smells like a clean bar of soap. We have Hello Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste, activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Let's see, and then we have Free Your Pores Charcoal, great for oily skin, removes your makeup, your deep cleans pores and refreshes. It's a charcoal cleansing micellar water, no need to rinse, oil free. There you go. Never seen that either. And then we have Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. And then we have some, looks like, I'm trying to figure out why this is in the box. Let's see. Alright, so this one belongs to this, which is Great Lash Forever Fan Favorite. Have it upside down. 1 tube sold every 2 seconds. It coats your lashes. It's by Maybelline. It says it conditions as it thickens. There are no clumps and no globs. Okay, set that aside. And then we have some 48-hour soothing moisturizer. It's in a little packet there. We have Kleenex. Now last month we had a package of them. Now we have one little wipe. You can put that in your purse. Of course, the size of my purse, I could put that in the other one, that entire packet in my purse. And it shows you, there must be another, must be different, I don't know if they're different smells or what, but I see a green one, an orange one, and a blue one. So they might be different type of wet wipes. Let's see here. And there is a black charcoal bubble sheet mask. And let's see. Oh, so this tells you a little bit about the Hello, how to use that. And this little thing here that I couldn't figure out what it was, this little thing here, it explains this shampoo and conditioner, which is something new. And then this little pamphlet right here, and the back of it explains the soap. And this one explains this here. So that is everything in the box. I hope you like this box. Now this box is free. It's just $5 for the postage, and they send them out 4 times a year. So if you're interested, of course I'm going to put all the information below. I'm going to try to remember to put all the information about every one of my unboxings. So if you're interested in doing it, you can go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.